Hey, it's Patrick, and today I'm going to show you how to install the Custom Dynamics ProBEAST air horn. We're going to be doing this install on this 2020 Road Glide. But basically, for any Harley Davidson with this side-mounted horn, the install is going to be exactly the same. Now, we're installing a black one. It does come in chrome. This is made out of an ABS material. It's not metal, but it's still going to be very, very durable with the ABS material. What this is going to get you is 104.9 decibels of "Hey, I'm here." So if you're looking to get noticed, this is a great way to do that. This install is going to be really, really simple. All we're going to need is a 1/2-inch wrench, a Phillips screwdriver, and a lighter for some heat shrink tubing. Basically, everything is plug and play, no real wiring to speak of. Let's go ahead and get to work. So let's take a 1/2-inch wrench or socket. We're going to pull off our nut here, which we will be reusing. We're going to leave the little isolator mount on the back. And then we pull the horn loose, we're gonna go ahead and unplug the horn from the harness. So see, coming off the horn here in our relay, we have 3 wires. We're gonna set the long one off to the side, and the black one we're gonna plug into the black wire on the harness, and the red one we're gonna plug in to the red wire on the harness. Now they send pieces of heat shrink to heat shrink these connections. I don't think it's necessary. It is a nice little bit of insurance. Ours fit nice and snug, so I'm not gonna do that. If I was gonna do that, I would take the piece of heat shrink they send, I would drop it over there ahead of time. I'd plug this in, like so. Then I would slide the heat shrink up over my connection, and then I would just heat that up with a lighter until it shrunk down on there. We're gonna plug ours in, then we're gonna take our horn, hang it off our bracket, reuse our nut and washer, and tighten that back up with our 1/2-inch wrench. When you tighten this up, this isolator mount's rubber. It's meant to let this shake. You're only gonna be able to get it so tight, then you're gonna start twisting on that rubber mount. Once you get it tight, snugged up, just stop. So now we have to hot this thing up. We have to take this long wire, attach it to the positive on our battery. So I'm gonna run it up with the stock horn wire here, attach it to our stock harness, under the tank, and out to our battery, which is under the seat. As you can see, we already have access to that. And after I've got this hooked up, I'm gonna go back, zip tie this off. I'm also gonna clean this up. We have a little bit of loose wire that we plugged in. I'm gonna zip tie that to the horn frame along with this wire to keep that all nice and tidy. Kinda scared. Jesus. Oh, god damn.
Maybe we shouldn't do that anymore.
Well, it works good. That sounds exactly like a train. Well, holy crap, that is loud. So for about 30 or 45 minutes worth of install work, you could totally do this in the kickstand in your garage, have a majorly loud horn in no time at all. If you're looking for more information on this, go ahead and hit that info tab on your desktop or mobile device. That'll take you to the product detail page where you can read other riders' reviews and more specs about this horn. If you're still looking for more information, feel free to reach out to our customer service team. They would love to talk to you about what works best for you, your motorcycle, and your budget. I am Patrick. Thank you for watching. Now go work on those motorcycles.